Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Valorant Error VAN185 on Windows 11. First, the most effective fix is to reinstall Riot Vanguard. This is the anti-cheat system used by Valorant. Go to the control panel and open Uninstall a program. Find Riot Vanguard in the list and remove it. Once done, restart your computer. After the restart, open Valorant again, and it will automatically install Riot Vanguard fresh. Next, you need to check the VGC service. Press the Windows key and type Services. Open the Services app from the search results. Scroll down and find VGC. Right-click on it and open Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic, then click Start if it is not running. Click Apply, then OK. Another important step is to make sure Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 are enabled. These are required by Windows 11 for Vanguard to work properly. You can enable them from your BIOS settings. Restart your PC, enter BIOS, and turn on Secure Boot from the boot settings, and after that, enable TPM if it is disabled. The option will be FTPM in AMD motherboards and PTT in Intel motherboards. Finally, reset your network settings. Go to Windows Search and type Network Reset. Open it and click Reset Now. This will remove any network issues that may be causing the error. After completing all these steps, restart your computer and launch Valorant again. The error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.